Hello YouTube fans. I have a quick little tip here that'll help you clean all your ornate or carved furniture that seems to hold all the dust, dirt, and little dust bunnies in the nooks and crannies that no matter how much you're trying to clean with a microfiber, you can't. So this is the tip I have. You're going to get yourself a nice little brush like this. You're going to dampen it. Try to get off most of the water that you can. And then you're going to go in and start cleaning all the little areas that dust and dirt gets in. That'll take care of it. Then you're going to want to go rinse it, dry it real good. You could dry it with like another microfiber towel, a clean microfiber towel. And then get yourself some nice feed-in wax. And then you can dip it in a plate or a paper plate or even another microfiber towel and just, put it in there. Get a little bit on there. And then come over and feed your furniture. If you're expecting company and you have all this sort of furniture that it's an unbelievable job to clean, get yourself a little brush and make it easy. Thanks for watching.